Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day, Thursday 23 May 2024. Today I will trade long Euro, Pound, New Zealand, and short CAD, Yen and Swiss. And at the end of this video I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. The dollar index, well, rushing up to that level. I was really hoping it would retest, creating some more bullishness. You can see even my intraday indicator has turned a little bit more bullish than bearish. Just the short term that shows still negative dollar. So suddenly yesterday there wasn't really news that could push it up. Maybe it's the FOMC meeting minutes, I don't know. But today we've got a lot of news coming out, so most likely we will see what happens here. But we're at this level now, and we will have to see and wait what happens here, because this is the big level. If this level breaks up, then should see then the medium long term was winning. If it reverses from here, well, that means the short term is winning. So I think by tomorrow, 2 days from now, we should see a direction. Very quiet week, not a nice week for me in person. Also, my robot is bleeding this week money, so it's not a great week for me. But after the profits of the last few weeks and months, I'm fine with it, but it's still painful. But gold selling off heavily, never got into that, obviously, didn't break. I spotted something on the daily charts here. If I move my lines like this, and I move my lines like that, that gives me a flag pattern on the dailies. I'm going to bring that down the Fibonacci's there. You can see the retest here, the 61% Fib level. It's basically just above this level here, but it's the retest of this falling trend line. And I like that a lot. So this is where I'm keeping my eye on at this stage, is to see if I can get some long entries there. Now with the stronger dollar, it's very difficult being long gold. But I have got a long-term view, a very long-term view for $3,000, $3,200 in gold. So I am accumulating slowly but surely some long-term positions from down here. But nothing other than that on the 4-hour charts. I won't do much because of the strong dollar. In Bitcoin, overall crypto market, good news in the US yesterday. Market didn't respond that much. Something about some law 21. Sorry, I'm not a fundamental guy. I just spotted something there that they're moving towards supporting cryptos and giving more regulatory clarity and taking a lot of the regulation away from the SEC, which would be fantastic, I believe. So I'm quite surprised that we didn't see some more positive moves. Well, most likely the market expected that call. I don't know. It was for me quite a surprise, like Ethereum also. People were starting to fade on the idea that the ETF will be approved, and suddenly everybody is jumping back up and say, because there's a 23 May today cutoff date, and suddenly the SEC asked for some amendments to the applications, and suddenly all the interest back in Ethereum. So that's why we saw some crypto runs, but I'm a little bit disappointed that we, on all the good news there, couldn't break through those levels. So maybe there's a few whales dumping. So I'm not sure. We will see. It's not that this is a reversal signal. It's not. It might just be a little bit of a retracement, which I would love to see a retracement back to this level. I showed it in the previous few days. The trend has just turned bullish again here, so I'm very bullish. I was just hoping for a little bit more price action confirmation of what I've overheard there in the US. Then S&P 500, very nice run up the page. We could see that the Nasdaq is also running, but I can't find patterns there. Dow is down. They are decoupling a little bit from the S&P 500. Usually they do exactly the same thing. Quite surprised to see a strong dollar and the stock market going bullish. So I'm leaving this here. I'm very nimble. I don't want to miss out on anything nice. So it's closed above there. If I can get a retest here now, and I can get a good solid candle reversal, I will nibble on this trade. I won't be able to do a full house position because of the strong dollar, but if I see the dollar start to drop during the day, that means that we're finding resistance on the dollar index here, and that should, well, at that stage then reverse a little bit. Then I will definitely consider taking a long there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. So then we move on to the Aussie yen. Now Aussie did test yesterday. We got a lot of tests yesterday. If you look at yesterday morning's video, there's a lot of tests, but they all came in the midnight hours with the Tokyo session, the Asian session. So it's not something I tried. There was a lot of beautiful hammer candles testing the levels to the T and reversed, but it's not stuff I tried. So I removed them because I can't do anything with them. So with Aussie yen, Aussie neutral, yen is the one I'm looking to trade short. So going long here would help me. This last directional swing here at the 61%, it stopped yesterday, but not something I could have traded, no counter reversal. So I'll see if it gets down there again and it reverses off here. We might see a double bottom forming. We might see a nice counter reversal, but definitely something to watch for today. Euro Swiss, we got the break, but I didn't see the retest and a counter reversal. So we got this little flat top triangle. We got a solid, nice break, very nice. But I need a retest. I need to see a test of the level because this is just a silly pattern. That's just a silly pattern. It doesn't mean it's going to mean something. I need the market to confirm via price action that that is structure. And that's not structure at this stage because the bulls have not proven themselves here for me. They got the break, but that doesn't mean nothing. I need the bears to step in and then the bulls must take control again. So if I can get a retest there and then nice, good, solid counter reversal, then I'll consider taking some longs here. In the US Swiss, just a very basic trade, nice swing up the page, retracement back to 61% or between 50 and 61%. That seems fine. If you look at the dollar strengthening and the Swiss staying very weak, this is one of the better trades for today potentially, but we're going to need to see a retracement. Be nimble, because if we go back to the dollar index, if it starts to reverse heavily there, it's going to drop down to the moving averages and below. That's why I need a good strong counter reversal if that happens. Not a flimsy candles here. I need a good strong counter reversal and then I'll consider some longs. On the pound yen, again, I can't add a lot of pounds in. They are way off the entries. It's really silly watching them. But this last little swing there, now on the retracement back to 50% level, right at the previous high there, you can see there. So a nice solid break, a retest. I'll wait there for a good strong counter reversal and then I'll consider some longs. Then the pound US, also something I can use. You can see here, yesterday it bounced off the level there and there. We got the 50% level there and the 61% level there. So the whole area here for me, if I look at the pound in the green zone and the dollar in, well, neutral zone for that matter, it's just again very important to watch the dollar. When the dollar goes neutral here, it's very difficult getting good direction from that. But the pound is overall very strong, so I'm still confident in a potential pound trade. But I'm going to need a test here. It's going to need to test the 50 and or the 61% before I will consider some longs. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a long on the euro yen, euro green zone, yen bottom of the pile, flat top triangle, something I didn't spot earlier this morning. I only spotted when I prepared here. And we got a test flat top, rising bottoms. If I get a break up there and then a retest and a counter reversal, that'll be definitely something I will be watching for. I'm also still interested in the Fibonacci of this last swing, the 61% level, right at structure here. You can see here definitely confirmed. So those are the two levels. So on a retracement, I could get some long here, but I would be nimble because obviously caution is needed because this could be a failed pattern. But for that, I first need a break up and then it could be a failed pattern. But if it comes down and I get a strong reversal here, I'll consider. If it breaks good and solid and then a retest and then a nice counter reversal, I'll definitely take some longs here. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. So don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.